sound is F?
What sound does F make?
No, I see A. What sound
Okay, start with A. What sound does A make?
Apple.
Make the A sound, though.
Apple.
What sound does B make?
Boat.
Oh, pretty good. How about C?
Ta.
Okay. How about D? Yeah.
Hey, I got a beaver.
What sound does D make?
Da.
That's a lot of D. What sound does E make?
Apple top.
Applejack. Is that an E sound?
No.
What's an E sound?
Lace.
Okay.
Hello.
One more and I'll let you finish. What's the E sound?
Da.
Lillian.
Just do A then.
I don't want to just do A again. You just did E. What's E?
Apple.
You're being silly now.
Yeah.
Why are you insistent on doing A, huh? You said elephant.
Elephant.
So what's the E sound like?
Elephant.
Alright, I give up. I love you.
Hey, that's Salvador. Oh, I have a shadow. I want a shadow to the way.
Are 3-year-olds distracted or what?